goes there. Oh, it's Mike.
Hello?
Mate, we just got an urgent job in.
Yeah?
Yeah, I need you to get to the studio right away and get those tracks down.
Okay, no problem.
What are you doing?
What do you mean? Coming to this studio like you asked me to?
It's bloody lockdown, mate. I meant I'll record my bits at home, you record your bits at home. You know, like in all those videos we've been doing.
Oh! That's what they were for.
Eat my dust, coppers!
Don't be like me. Stay at home. Use the Airhorns remote. Recording services. We can record trumpet, sax, trombone.
Don't be like Jamie. Stay at home. And if you want to try some horns on your tracks, then get in touch with us. We'll do it remotely. We'll try a few things out, do an arrangement for you, whatever you like. Anyway, if you're interested, get in touch with theairhorns.co.uk.